The Adamo Group. Headquartered in Detroit, Michigan for over 50 years of expertly demolishing and clearing projects across North America, but especially in the heart of Detroit. Now they're taking on another large job of over 1 million square feet, tearing down the Harper Woods Eastland Shopping Center. Adamo's first step was performing environmental testing and a meticulous hazard assessment. Once evaluated, the crew went to work on clearing toxic substances like asbestos and universal waste. Adamo brought in several pieces of equipment to get the job done. An integral part to the dismantling process was the DustBoss DB60. The DustBoss really helped us control air quality so we could stay compliant. Directed towards the activity area, the DB60 threw mist, raising the humidity and preventing dust from becoming airborne, hurting workers and traveling into the surrounding community. This massive demolition project took 8 months to complete, and no complaints were lodged for dust suppression, thanks to expert management and their 2 DB60s. With the job finished, the site is ready for construction of the new industrial buildings, and Adamo stands ready to tackle another demolition with the best environmental stewardship possible.